Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can stylize text on TikTok. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open up your Discord on your PC. Then choose the server you want. It can be any server. After choosing it, simply start typing. As you can see, if I type anything, it just looks normal. To stylize text in Discord, there are some commands you need to use to make them different. For example, if you want a text to be italic, you can simply add one asterisk at the starting and the ending of the text message. You can also make the text bold by adding just two asterisks at the starting and ending of the text message. To combine it, simply add three asterisks at the starting and ending of the text. Now to make the text strike through, simply add to this type of symbols at both starting and ending points of the text. To make the text underlined, just use underscore for that. You can again combine these styles. That's how you can stylize your text on Discord. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.